I'm Kalei, creator of Alphabawse, and it is Q&A. For today's Q&A, I get asked how to take really good pictures with the iPhone. Now, I talk about this all the time on my blog. I talk about it a lot on my YouTube channel. The iPhone has improved with their camera quality. Back-facing camera is a lot better than the front-facing one, but I still like them for my selfies. I highly recommend that you use natural lighting. Don't use flash unless you really have to or that's a part of your feed. And I would also do minimal edits. If you can take a really good shot using your iPhone without a ton of edits, that will get you far because you save time on your editing and your process, and you also get to shoot and create more content. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I edit a photo that I've taken today.
Alright, so for this app I'm using Darkroom, and I took this photo with the iPhone X and I'm using natural light from a window. And I like to first start off by changing the temperature of the colors, so color grading. So I'm getting rid of the greens if it's like too green and too red. You want to get rid of too much of the red because it does add for the pink, but I just like to play around with that as well as the saturation. And then I like to play with the contrast and the brightness. Now, you don't want it to be super blown out, but you also don't want it to be super dark as well. So I just play with that a little bit. And then I'll also play with the saturation. And I just kind of scrub it back and forth to get the look that I'm going for. There is no specific way that I do this. I kind of just do what I really like. I also like to make my pictures look super sharp because sometimes websites can distort them, so I just up the sharpness and I'm gonna save that. The next app I'm using is Visco, and I just go through the filters. I bought all of these filters through a pack, so you can do that as well. And I just kind of try things out. Like, I like that, but then when I went to HB1 or HB2, I kind of like those a little bit more. So I kind of liked HB1 in this sense, so I just take that filter and turn it all the way down, and I'll scrub back and forth to kind of see how much filter I want and how much I don't want inside my photo. Next, I will play with exposure, so you can make this a little darker, make it a little sharper. Also, contrast again, and I'm using minor edits because this is a app filter. So I'm doing that as well as saturation. As you can see here, it kind of brings the pinks back a little bit more. And then I'll do the temperature. Warmer makes it more yellow, colder makes it more blue. So I kind of like a -3 right there. And then I like to take some grain, and I like to put a little tiny bit of grain, and I'm just showing you the extreme and kind of what I like, and I just play with it back and forth. After this, I go ahead and I save it and export it to the size that I want, and I can post it to my Instagram page.
I hope you enjoyed this week's Q&A. Stay tuned for next week.